Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to edit the pricing currency plan. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description. So guys, here on Wix, just simply go ahead and select a site. So I'm gonna go for this one. And after that, just simply click on design site. And now click on this, add elements. And after that, just simply go to the search over here. And now just simply search for price plan. And from here, just simply go to app market over here. And now from here, just simply search again over here, pricing plans. And from here, you should be able to have 37 options, as you can see, and you will have here all of the pricing plan that are available in order for you to add it into your website. So I'm gonna go for this one, Wix pricing plans. And from here, just simply click on add to site. And from here, you should be able to see the preview of the pricing plan. So guys, from here, just simply make sure to select the pricing plan and click on manage plans over here. And now from here, just simply click on start now. And after that, just simply click on create plan. So guys, from here, just simply provide the necessary information about your plan. So I'm gonna go for silver membership, let's say, and now just simply provide a description, and down below just tell the customer what are the main features of this plan over here, and you can add more. And after that, you can connect more benefits for this plan. You can just simply click on this, and you can give client access to exclusive groups as well if you want that. And down below, you should be able to see here the pricing options. So you should be able to have the free, the one-time payment, and the reoccurring payment. So guys, it will be depending on you, and just simply provide the necessary information. So let's say I'm gonna go for free and go for 1 month. And after that, you should be able to see here the settings of your subscription. So from here, just simply provide what you prefer. And once you are done, you can just simply click on save. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and add more if you like. You can just simply click on create plan over here. And now, lastly, just simply go for set up payment methods. And from here, just simply connect your PayPal, or you can just simply connect with a manual payment over here. And from there, you should be able to set it up. And that's simply about it. Just simply provide the necessary information to proceed. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.